The e-learning center at Prince Sultan University present this tutorial on how to create a wiki in Moodle. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a wiki in Moodle. A wiki is a collection of web pages that can be modified by others, making it an excellent tool for collaboration. First, go to your course and turn editing mode on. Next, select the section in your course, then click plus add an activity or resource. After that, choose Wiki from the options provided. This will take you to the Wiki settings page titled Adding a new wiki. Give your wiki a name and description. You can also check the box below to have the description appear on the course page. Now, you need to decide between the individual wiki option, where each student gets their own wiki, or the collaborative wiki option, where students work together on a single wiki. Make sure to choose the first page name carefully, as it cannot be changed. Then, set the default format type for your wiki. It's recommended to select HTML format. After that, click Save and Display. On the following page, click on Create Page. Add text and create new pages by adding double square brackets around their titles. Then click on Save. You will be directed to the Wiki section where you can conduct various actions as listed on the drop-down menu. On View, you can view and test the links you've added. You also have the option to edit pages as needed. Moreover, you can add or edit comments in the comments section. Additionally, you can use the history section to keep track of editors along with the date and time. Next, if you want to see the mapping of pages, click on Map. The following tab includes the ability to upload and view the files. Lastly, you can view an administration tab, where they can remove pages or delete page versions. Students can click on the wiki icon in the course to access it. The Edit tab allows them to edit the page, which they can preview before saving. The History tab shows who has done what in the wiki. Depending on the teacher's settings, other tabs might include comments and the ability to upload files. Please like and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for further support.